What's up, guys? Today I'm back and we're doing a morning fishing video, and it's like 5 o'clock right now, and we're about to go catch bait, and then yeah, let's see what happens. All right, so we're at a convenience store right now, and I'm probably gonna get, I don't know, man, that looks so good, but I can't eat it with my braces, so I'm just gonna get this. Doesn't that look good in the morning? All right, I need to get something to drink. All right, so we're about to go catch some bait down by the beach. And yeah, let's go catch some bait. I'll see you over there, boys.
Back up behind me.
All right. You can see them on top of the water. Oh, that was, I got that on video. Yes, I got that on video. Oh my God. Dang. Hey, dude. What is that? Oh, that's a freaking puffer fish, bro.
Fucking blow it fish.
Apparently, those are like really poisonous. Here, let them go in the water. Yeah. Little puffer fish, boys, and a mullet. This one's itty bitty, and we already have a bunch of them. So get this guy in the water. I'm not trying to pick them up because I heard that they were poisonous. I don't want to. Go, buddy, go. Dude, I got a mullet jumping out of the water.
Oh, really?
On video, it was like that long, dude. It was a big one. Did you get a nice one?
Yep, coming out. What was that?
Oh, it's a croaker.
Croaker?
That's two croakers.
Yeah, that's a croaker.
That's good. Why are you letting them out right there?
I don't know shit. Just to have it, leave me alone.
We need these. Oh, there's another
crab right there. Where's the crab at?
Oh, this thing is itty bitty. Look at that little guy. This croaker's good though. Both of them.
What are you trying to think? You think I'm trying to mess with you?
I'm gonna throw them back.
How many we got in there?
I'm not about to count. Yeah, can you get the thing?
Yeah.
At least 40.
Well, got some more. Look at see, get on top. Look at them.
Wait, can I throw it one time? Bet.
Going out. He said, I'm leaving, y'all.
Alright, what's up, guys? And yeah, I'm taking a little snack and drink break right now. So yeah, there we go. That's good. That's really good. That's really good. Alright, so well, my cousin Kenny, can't do that. My cousin Kenny caught a sellcat, and I'll show you that when I get back down there. But yeah. While I'm taking this little break, go follow me on Instagram, HD_outdoors_16. Alright. So let's take a bite into this right here. That's good. Dude, this is really freaking good. Right here. Doing a little mukbang right here. Oh, that's good. This is really good, man. I'm being so serious. This with this. Alright. So I'm gonna finish this stuff up real quick. Get back out there fishing. And yeah, if we don't catch anything there, we're gonna go somewhere else. So yeah, bye guys. Alright guys, so yeah, we left that spot because we weren't catching anything, and now we're at this spot right here. It's like a big, I think it used to be a hotel, And yeah, so we're gonna try and see if we can catch some mullet or something. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys if anything interesting happens. Alright, so this is part 1. We're about to go do part 2 right now. I'm gonna come back home, do some stuff, and yeah, I'm just gonna wrap the video up right here because I don't want it to be like an hour-long video, basically. Because yeah, we're gonna be fishing for a couple hours tonight, and hopefully we catch something. So yeah, go to that video. It should be up in a couple hours after you watch this, or if you watch this like a day after, it'll be up. So go on my channel, go watch that, and go subscribe to my cousin's channel. Link to his channel will be in the description. And yeah, bye guys.